Oh shit. Oh. Hello. We as you can see, today is a miserable day. It's pouring rain, it's cold, it's unfortunately not snowing. So the best thing to do, go for a dirt bike ride. We got a couple of boys here with us today, and we're ready to get wet and have some fun. Alright, enjoy! Holy shit, man, that thing is so deep.
He was like, nah, I'm not going to. Just stop. Holy shit.
I went for it.
You just went straight to it. You can tell your whole bike is steaming.
Well, it cleaned my bike off a bit.
Well, that's good. Is Adam gonna do it? I think he will.
Good, buddy.
Oh.
Well, once again, we find ourselves dopamine here in Florence. And I think that's today. It's going to be probably one of the toughest days riding it. Oh! Hands sore already?
Forearms are pumping.
Yeah.
What? My boot got stuck in the bag.
Look at this view though. You got this, buddy. Oh, so close. Oh. You wanna go again or what? More speed.
More speed.
More speed.
I'm kind of losing it on the...
You gotta coast it up the first one and then give it a little bit on the flat to keep...
A little blip, eh?
Yeah. But don't blip on the rock.
No.
Just get your speed and use momentum to get up the first one and then blip to come up the next one. Cheer squad for Eric.
Light it up.
Oh, is that coastable?
You can go around up there.
Oh, yeah.
So sketchy coming down the top, especially in the wet. These fucking roots right here. There we go. Still too chicken to take that one. Ah.
I came around the corner, I was like, where am I?
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh fuck.
Uh-oh. Okay, my bike is now balancing.
Beautiful. I know. What is going on? Oh my god. I guess I go back down.
Eric didn't want to wait. I can't. Hey, I won.
Yeah. You balanced it.
I know.
Oh god. Okay.
Oh. Oh! Nice, Jack.
Holy shit.
I know.
Yeah.
Hey, how did you get stuck there? Yeah. Oh, dude, you were on top of the rock.
Oh, I thought I had it.
That was so close. Almost had it, mate. Sick. Yeah, buddy.
That wasn't pretty.
Good one. You got it. Better than me.
Throttle it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, good spot. It's so
bad.
It just sounds like it's gonna kill you.
Yeah. Oh, ease. I made it.
I mean, you got it up. Nice. Count it. Your front tire didn't move.
I know.
Tire was right up the hill. That's so. It's so slippery.
I can't move. Oh my gosh. So heavy. Oh. Where's the switch?
Yeah.
You don't have a kill switch?
I do. It's just tucked under that side. Oh. It's nice having all the boys here. It's a lot easier to get.
He tried to rip my arm off though, I'm not gonna lie. My bad. We have a down jack. This spot sucks. Look at this, two peas in a pod. Look at them. Alright, Jack won that race. A close call. Whoopsies. I was thinking about 5 minutes ago that I haven't really gotten tired so far on the side. That's changed. I'm tired. Mistakes are happening. But hey, we're having fun. That's the main thing, right? Almost a bad idea to ride today. Honestly, really not ideal conditions. But screw it to high. We're having fun. We're out with the boys. That's all that matters. Oh shit.
Oh. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Wow, that got really frat.
Oh! Saved by the tree. Jesus. I can't believe I didn't make that. Well, it's been a pretty wet and kind of crazy ride. Some good spills, some good slips. I kind of landed on a rock on my back. A little bit sore, but we'll survive another day. Anyway, it's going to be the end of this video, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Hopefully I have this video out by Christmas. If not, well, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year if I don't get out before then. But enjoy your holidays. And once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, have fun out there. Bye.